Is humility at odds with self-esteem?
Not at all. If you truly believe in God and believe in God's justice and believe in equality, there is no question of self-esteem. Self-esteem is a problem of those people who were raised in an unjust environment or are raised in a way where there is a lot of competition between humans, unwanted competition in humans. That creates self-esteem problems. It has absolutely nothing to do with humility. Self-esteem issues of modern day have to do with this constant competitive attitude of mankind to get ahead of everybody else. So those who are left behind, they question their equality and they question their integrity. So this excessive competitiveness makes a lot of people, kids particularly, feel very bad about themselves. Then on top of it, when a child who is doing average in school goes home and the parents say it's okay, the child knows that even the parents are lying. And then they think that the whole culture is lying. So they get more and more depressed and they feel more and more bad about themselves. You should not put children through that kind of competitive lifestyle. This is very damaging for self-esteem. Then when those children become adults, they don't know how to deal with jealousy. They do not know what other capabilities they have in themselves. So self-esteem is a problem of arrogance, opposite of humility. A truly humble person believes in justice. There is no one inferior to me, and there is no one superior to me, other than in character, where I should put my respect. So if you see someone who has better character than you, respect that person, because he or she is an inspiration for you. But other than that, everybody is running after money. What's the big deal about it? It's not that they are doing something special or they are dying for humanity. They're just doing their jobs, collecting things. So, what truly is self-esteem? If you take away all this rush and crazy competition out of a society. It's an artificial burden on the souls of particularly kids, which is a very sad situation. Children should only be taught about love from their parents. They should be nurtured and cared. They shouldn't be burdened before their time.